Yo, what up fam? So I'm out here in the prestigious neighborhood of Alamo Heights out here in San Antonio, Texas at the latest flip, at the latest acquisition. We closed on this property about 2 weeks ago and this is actually my first time even being here. So y'all's first time seeing this property is going to be my first time seeing this property as well. So what I want to show y'all is how we plan to transform this property and also how, estimating rehab costs are typically done on flips and projects like this and when you're in real estate. Purchase this property for about $255,000. Rehab will be about $70,000 to $80,000, just based on the pictures we finna see when we go in there. And ARV resale of $450,000. So if everything goes according to plan, which obviously it never does, we're projected to hit a $115,000 gross profit. So let's go see what we actually bought. Man, I gotta tell y'all, I am so excited about this project because as soon as you walk into this house, what you immediately see is a huge wall right in the way, and we are definitely going to be ripping that out and opening up this entire floor plan and making it completely open concept. This is not the 70s, we're not the Jetsons. You need to have open concept floor plans, right? Opening this up will make this home seem a lot bigger than it actually is. This living room is so huge to where there's so much underutilized space. So the plan will probably be to pretty much expand the kitchen into this dining room area, right? Because there's already a dining room over there, so you don't need two dining rooms, right? People will rather have bigger kitchens, right? So if we can knock this down and open up the kitchen and make this entire thing open, it's going to tremendously help the resale value of this property, right? If somebody's buying a $500,000 house, they want to be buying something that is completely open and it is modern looking, right? We want to make sure that we modernize this layout, right? So knocking this wall out, it will probably be around $2,000, but that is money that you have to spend in order to get that $450,000 resale price. So in here, all this paneling from the 70s is obviously gotta go. We are not keeping this at this price point, right? Anybody that's going to spend $500,000, $500,000 on a house, they don't want wood paneling in there. So we're gonna rip that out and sheetrock everything. That'll probably be around $1,500 to $2,000. It's not really that big of a cost, and it's going to you're definitely going to see a return on that investment. The biggest thing about this house is that we're opening it up, right? We're opening this entire section and we're ripping it out so that when you walk through that front door, you will walk into a massive living room, dining room, and a massive kitchen as well, right? Like they say, right? Go big or go bigger. Whenever you get into real estate, you gotta understand, you gotta know that kitchens and bathrooms sell houses. So you gotta go big whenever you are in the kitchen, right? Especially at this price point, right? I keep saying it. The people that are spending $500,000 on a house, they want to be walking into an immaculate kitchen. So that's what we gotta give them, right? And so what we're gonna do in here is pretty much put brand new cabinets, brand new flooring, obviously paint, sheetrock, texture, all those things. And essentially what we're gonna do is have a row of cabinets on this exterior wall with the sink over there and have a huge kitchen island right here. I'm talking a huge slab, right? Maybe a 4-person slab, right? The slab alone might cost $1,000 just for the slab, and we might put the oven even on the kitchen island as well. So in this kind of kitchen, cabinets will run about $3,000. Counters with the granite or quartz, and then a huge slab might run another $3,000. And then obviously brand new stainless steel appliances are going to run you another $2,000. So here in this second bathroom, right? This is not the master bathroom, but what we're doing here is essentially, obviously rip out all the wallpaper, replace all the shower tile, put a brand new tub in here, rip out this frame, put brand new counters here, a brand new slab, a granite slab, a nice slab, a brand new vanity, a new toilet, and brand new flooring all throughout. It's a complete revamp, right? You don't want to keep anything here. So in total, the bathroom might run you about $4,000. So in the bedrooms, obviously we're gonna be replacing the light fixtures, replacing all the doors, painting and ripping up all this nasty carpet, which smells like straight feet. So y'all are really lucky y'all can't smell this. So obviously this master bathroom is really small, and that's why they had a sliding door in here. So what we'll do is rip out this interior sliding door and make an exterior barn door, right? So it's gonna slide exteriorly and it'll be really nice, right? It's gonna tie in with the modern theme, right? And so essentially what we'll do in here is put brand new shower tiles here in this bathroom. That'll run about $1,000 or $1,500. We'll put a brand new shower glass, pebble flooring, brand new tile all over. But you gotta make sure that you come with it in the master bathroom, because the people that are gonna be buying the house are going to be using the master bathroom. So you gotta wow those people. And for some reason, all the houses we keep buying, they keep having chicken coops. I don't know what it is, go figure. I mean, we're in Texas, so I guess it makes sense, right? So total in all, this house will probably be around 70 to 80,000 to get fixed up. Of course, there's a bunch of miscellaneous things I didn't really get to show that'll add to that cost as well. So, but really at the end of the day, the biggest things that we're doing is knocking down that interior wall, and really opening up that floor plan, right? Modernizing that floor plan. That's going to be the big selling point, putting that huge kitchen island, and really focusing on the finishes that we put in and the colors that we pick for this house. That's gonna be the thing that's going to make this house really sell. But if you're new to real estate, I highly suggest that when you're getting started, you pay a contractor 50 bucks, 100 bucks to go to a couple properties, even if you don't plan to buy them, but learn how rehab costs should be estimated, right? That is a great way to learn. Another great thing you can do is go to Home Depot or Lowe's.com and start pricing out things as far as the finishes, right? Take your square footage that you know that your house you're buying is, and then go to Home Depot or Lowe's and multiply it by that square footage so that you can know what the material cost will be. Once you got that material cost, just double it for the labor. That'll get you in the ballpark for as far as estimating rehab costs go. But yeah, I'm super excited for this deal. It's gonna be a smoking hot deal. Gonna clear around $115,000 gross on it if everything goes according to plan, which it won't. But that's a good thing about these kind of deals. There's so much margin, there's so much room for error that things have to go completely sideways for you to lose on a deal like this. There's just too much room to lose. Like, you really got to just be a fool to lose on this deal. But anyways, that's it for this one. I will keep y'all posted on the progress on this one and all the other projects that we got going on. Like I said, the goal this year is to get 8 to 10 deals. So we are on track, but we got to keep it pushing. So